Hello everybody, we are showcasing Visibility Dashboard. It's a UI based monitoring tool for merchant batch framework, also known as bulk API framework. Currently large merchants like eBay submit request file for collecting seller fees every 15 days. This request file contains millions of records and monitoring its execution is a cumbersome and time consuming process for the MTS folks. We therefore came up with a graphical tool that would make monitoring and analysis process quite easy and faster, thus increasing the productivity. The tool would represent data in form of file table, batch table, transaction table, and error table. Let's take a look. All you need to do is submit a merchant ID and the time period between which you wish to monitor the submitted request files. Clicking on this submit button, it would list down the number of request files that are submitted during this period. It would give information on the number of batches present in each request file, the number of batches actually loaded for processing, and the status of each request file. This information would also be represented in form of a bar diagram, which would contain information on number of batches requested, number of batches loaded, and number of batches processed. Clicking on one request file would give more information on number of batches present in a particular file. It would have information on total number of transactions in each batch, number of successful transactions, and number of failure transactions. This would also be represented in form of a bar diagram. Clicking on one of the batch would take you to the error table, which would show the number of errors, the PIM code, and the occurrence of each PIM code. Since we do not have any failures, we are seeing the count of failures as 0. In case there are failures, eBay would love to see those failures early to avoid delay in collecting seller fees by monitoring with this tool. Thank you.